If you are wondering if we are going to get an Android 18 update on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then the answer is yes. This phone is going to receive Android 18 updates. However, right now for me it is definitely hard to tell when exactly we can expect Android 18 to be released on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, simply because this is pretty much one of the first Samsung Galaxy smartphones with Android 17, and I'm recording this pretty much right after it got released. So definitely very hard to say when exactly you can expect Android 18 to be released. Of course, you can go to software updates to make sure that there is an update waiting for you. Maybe if you're watching this video, let's say 1 year from now on, then there might be an update already. Maybe it's going to be soon. But essentially, it is guaranteed that we are going to receive Android 18 update on this phone, simply because we have 7 Android updates promised for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. So, of course, since we are starting with Android 17, then Android 18 is, of course, included on that list. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.